The company MWT is pleased to introduce Chloromar. Chloromar is an electrochlorinator which produces a solution of sodium hypochlorite, by an electrolytically decomposing of the natural sea salt. This system can, perfectly, resolve the problem of the treatment for the seawater in their refrigeration circuits and other ship services, refrigerating factories, and any kind of industries and installations using seawater in circulating systems. The sodium hypochlorite production presents, directly at the consumed place, clear advantages in relation to the typical agents used in the elimination of seaweeds, mollusks and crustacean, such as chlorine gas and sodium hypochlorite. The chlorine gas, due to its nature, is a dangerous product, expensive and difficult to the storage. Also, the sodium hypochlorite presents the inconvenience of a difficult storage, as it requires a big place. Natural sea salt. The Chloromar generator consists, basically, of two circular electrodes, made on titanium, coated with platinum in its anodic side, which receives the current from a rectifier panel with their respective controls. Where it is placed the power transformer, in order to convert the power supply into a low voltage 14 volts needed to provide the electrodes of the generator. Notice that, in the control panel, there are the following indicating pilots arranged: flow failure, overload, starting, temperature. The circulation pump will be joined up to the generator by a pipe of 1¼ inch. Filter by continuing flushometer. Chloromar generator. The generator has available, at the outlet, a distribution collector, from where depart the different water outlets with a high hypochlorite sodium concentration to the different dosage points. It is very important to place the outlet above up, in order to make easy to have the cell full of water. The diffuser is composed essentially of a guide tube with multiple perforations. The chlorine injection system is done with the spear-shaped diffusers placed in the water box. Chloromar. How it works: the seawater passes through Chloromar cells transforming into sodium hypochlorite by electrolysis. Once transformed seawater in sodium hypochlorite, broadcasters is injected into a water box, spread through the circulation in and out of the water box. Equipment maintenance is simple as it has very few moving parts and system reliability is assured. If the system operates under standard rules, will be virtually free of problems. Preventive maintenance shall be made by periodic checks and recording the readings you have your computer running for collation. Corrective maintenance is generally limited to parts such as interruption of flow, fix leaks or drips caused the system to correct problems in generating cell, calcareous depositions, and elect more economical, 80% savings in maintenance. It is only necessary to clean the electrodes. 100% savings on chemicals. No transport or loading of liquid chlorine tiring. Effectiveness fully guaranteed. Safer, avoids the risks associated with storage and handling of chemicals or chlorine gas. As easy as turning on the system and adjust the desired chlorine production. More green, its use does not harm the environment and considerably reduces pollution. Alternatives such as the use of copper ions or hypochlorite bleach. Chloromar front would need to evaluate metal pollution, the most toxic and aggressive, in the case of copper ion, where we are with many scientific reports certifying its high toxicity in trace amounts in seawater, coasts, soils aggressively attacking the marine environment and human beings. Thank you for choosing Chloromar.